Here we have a 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Now this is quite cool. This has got some new firmware which I've helped develop. So if we arm the alarm, why is it beeping at me? Well, it's because the window's open. So the alarm knows this. It will then turn off the ultrasonic sensors. Don't get a false alarm. So if I now disarm this, go back to the vehicle, roll the window up, and rearm it, it's silent. How cool is that? What's also good is it's got CAN bus bonnet sensing, and if I disarm the hatch or unlock it, the alarm remains armed, but it turns off the ultrasonic sensors until such a stage that I shut the hatch again and the alarm's now fully armed again. For some more information, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.